Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about a couple of charts which I sent out. And by the way, sorry for not doing the webinar today. I mean, not Wednesday. Today already Thursday starting. Was tied up with a few things. And anyway, so let's get started. And what I want to show is, let me see. Okay. All right, here. I kind of lost the audio here. No, it's just still there. All right. So let's get started. This is the tweet and the chart that I sent out on the 8th, right? January 8th. That based on this chart, and this is a yen index chart. I'll enlarge it a little bit in a moment. Based on this chart and yen index, I will be looking for CJ short if things go my way. This if is very, very important, right? If I don't get a setup, no trade. The thing has to be in my way. Make the turn first, right? So if then. Let's see the chart. This was the chart. All right, this is like a nice Elliott wave count, calculation. I don't have a fib here because it's just too much cluster, so I wanted to keep the chart clean. And so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I said 5 is supposed to go like that. These are the diagrams that I made long time ago based on harmonic patterns and Elliott wave. This is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how they unfold most of the time. And if you catch that this is what's happening, then you can easily predict what will be the next coming. So based on that, I tweeted that, and then I sent out the chart to all my subscribers, with you guys listening, and I'm gonna send this video to the public too, so everybody watching. So that's what happened. So now this is the CAD index chart, right? Then later on, what I did was I sent out this. No, not this one. Where did that go? This chart, right? CAD yen. As I said on that chart, that where does that chart go? Let me enlarge it again and keep it. See here, it says that AC, GC, EC. I mean Aussie CAD, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD will go up, and CJ means CAD yen will go down. I have CAD. Euro CAD on the other computer running, other account, which I will show you in the next video probably. But here I'm going to show you CJ. This is the next chart I wanted to show you. That this is what I made, the chart, the setup I found, and I sent out to the subscribers, right? Saying that okay, this is the setup and it's making a turn, but I will take my time. In the volume time, I will take from maybe the entry from 7-minute chart. Okay, this is the planning. And 2 + 2 4 kind of thing. So I waited and I waited and I waited, and then what happened is that this is my current chart and the trades. So now I was also watching this CAD yen on a weekly chart. This is the chart I sent out. 82.12 is right there. 82.51 is right there. There's another one. This one here. This is 82.40. Which it's a small space here, so I didn't write here, but I marked it. This was another low here, right? 82.40 is this the one. Let's just see. Oh, come on, man. Here, you see that on the bottom? You can see the low 82. Sorry, I think it's 82.24, right? This is a low 82.24, right? Okay, so these are the numbers that I was expecting that you might be making a turn. On a daily chart here, you can see this is, you see this high here? This high is 82.40. Okay, this high is very important, right? These are the low. The price was very close there, low, and this is high, right? So now 82.12, 82.40. So let's go take a look at the 7-minute chart. This is 81. This is 81. Okay, now this is here 82.40, right? So we couldn't go above that. we start dropping, and right there, and there was another one, 8212, which I have it on a 20-minute chart. I marked it, I guess not on a 40-minute chart, probably 8212. Yeah, 8212 is right there, 8251. So you have to mark all these and be very careful and ready. On that chart that I sent out, if you notice that I said, not this one, but let me see, this one, you see CAD yen. I'll take the entry from 7-minute chart. But there is another one that I said that it is no, that's the different chart. I'm going to show you that one later. But this is what it is, right? So 7-minute, I have this entry here, and it started to come down, went up, came down, went up, and I says, okay, it's not coming. I mean, not going up anymore. And I have to make a video and show to you guys that how easy it is that you can take multiple entries, and once you know the direction and you make the plan that this is what you will do, and things start to happen in that direction. Like I said on the chart, that if things on the Twitter, if things go in my way, so I'm seeing that I'm making a lower low, right? And we have gone too far up in a straight line and need a retracement or turn. See this big move, right? We need to make a turn, at least come down here, if not go all the way, right? So at least 23% line, or maybe down here, maybe this high here. So then and after this big move, you don't want to go long, you only want to go short, right? So now, according to plan, short setups, this entry, and so far you can see where we are now, 57. This is the entry, is I think it's like 80 to 20, and let's say 60 to 40 and 20, 60 pip this entry, and around 50 pip this entry, right? And I'm sitting on the break even. I'm just not gonna close this and then see if it goes all the way down or go up and hit my SL. Then on a break even, no hard feeling. Then thank you very much. So this is how easy it is. Now, is it a fluke? Okay, so what about this chart that I sent out yesterday? Aussie index 33-minute chart. In fact, I sent out today, right, in the morning. Yeah. So this will make this Aussie index again, same thing. It's doing. It went up all the way there, 50%. This area 44.13, and after that, usually it makes a turn. It's not gonna go all the way up. So I said, good chance that it already start to make a turn, right? So I said, good chance that we're gonna drop here, and if we do, this will make EA and GA go up and AJ down. So what did I do here? So far, I had, let me show you, Euro Aussie supposed to go up, and Aussie yen supposed to come down. Aussie yen trade I have on the other computer with EC Euro CAD. I'll show you in the next video. But this trade Euro Aussie, you can see I took the entry early, and it is making a very beautiful setup right now. Again, a long setup. It works out. I'll take that one again just to show you guys that it is easy if you pay attention and play accordingly, according to the plan. Then it becomes very easy. Oh, come on, man! Sometimes my thing takes too long. Okay, this is how Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie. I said it will go up, and Aussie yen will come down. Now this is the this is where, see this line here, 59.75. So this weekly chart I gave you guys already. You have it on my template. That 59.75 is right there. Now in this chart, if you notice that when I gave you this chart on the 4th, I said that they're coming down to 58.27, but need to be very careful. Why? Because if it's coming down, but any given moment it will go up again. All right, it can. The pressure was there, right? We went up there big time and then coming down, so that can happen again. And the numbers in the way was 59.75 and then 58.88. If we pass these numbers, then we get to this 58.27 and then bounce again. So I was watching these numbers, and then we found this, not this. This is Aussie index, by the way. Where did that go? Here. Euro-Aussie 20-minute chart. And here we go. So 59.75, that's where it posted. On a 20-minute chart, remember that, you know, these are the very, very nice areas. And if you get a reversal candle, half down, half up, it's a very, very good solid entry. Okay, so this is the entry, and I was still like, you know, I was out of the room and then came back. It says a couple of, you know, blue candles, and this is where I took it, and look what happened. Straight up hit this area 61.38. Usually I would close here, but I wanted to show you guys that, you know, this is how the charts are made. You've made the chart first, and then you know, look at these areas, mark those. I always tell you guys, you know, this is how it is. You know, mark these horizontal weekly highs and lows and monthly highs and lows, you know, important numbers, and watch them, especially after a big move or a retracement, right? So retracements were happened last week, and now we had all the big moves went up and down, right? Extensions, and then what's supposed to happen is the retracement. So counter trend, yes, but you have to trade, right? So if you know, and if you learn the system, you can easily do that. And this would be the first degree with the trend kind of thing, coming into the wave and then going away from the wave. If we have a reversal candle here, this will be a very perfect, by the book, long setup. Okay, and I will take it, and I will show you in the next weekend that this is also, I took it. This is the second degree, which is the extended. You know, you're going towards the wave, towards these black line and this yellow line. I mean the red line, right? So after going away from the wave. So even, you know, if you learn, then, you know, even the second degree, you know, very, very nice trades. But these are the, you know, good one. So let's say if you see, these are the highs here. These are the this 89 here, very, very important. We call it money line. You can see how the price react from this, like right here, right there. See that? It always, you know, hit this 89 line here. See this 89 line, and then right here, you know, and it went up a little bit, then dropped. So hopefully this would happen here, and then we go up because Aussie index is coming down. So let's see. If not, it's gonna come down all the way and take me out. I'm not gonna move my SL because I need to make this video just to show you guys that how you need to be patient sometimes. And you know, but sometimes what happens is that, you know, I told you guys so many times that, you know, sometimes I see that, you know, it's just making a reversal, and then I may not go all the way up. So I close the trade since this is dropping, right? So if I close it, and I'll sit down and say, I'm happy with, you know, 30 pip, 40 pip, 50 pip. Okay, no problem. And usually I don't even show those trades, right? But then again, it will bounce from here. I will get in here, and then this will go all the way, and that's the one I show you. These, you know, it's something like that. If it goes, if it comes down more here, maybe I'll close it, maybe not. But if we stay above this area here, and then I get a reversal candle, then instead of closing this one, I'll make another entry. Okay, so this is how it is. You know, over time, if you keep doing this, then you will, you know, become perfect and, you know, gain confidence. But the idea is that once you know exactly, and then, by the way, Euro Aussie long, I have this, and Euro, I think Pound Aussie. I don't know about Pound Aussie, I have it or not, but I think Euro CAD long I have, which is going very nice to the upside, and CAD yen just keep coming down, right? So we have a long way to go, and if we continue in this direction, that would be like 300-400 pips between today and tomorrow. Okay, if I get lucky, then I'll show it to you. First entry is already here. I have two entries there, 160 pip, 140 pip, 50 and 60. So that's 150 pip, 110 pip already there in CAD yen. If it goes more, 100 pip more, then I'll have 200 more pips there because I have two orders. And here, if it goes, if it bounce from here, it will go easily 100, 150 pip between today and tomorrow. Okay. And so far from here, it was around like 60.17, and I'm at 60.84. You know, so 60 pip already here, from here to here, as it is now. and 100 pip more, then I'll have 150, 160 pip. No big deal, right? So this is how it is. I just wanted to show, and hopefully I will send out more information. More charts like that, and then take the trades, and then I'll show you that how you can take the trades easily. And your beeper, I don't have a alarm on this, because I'm all the way all the time doing my analysis on this computer and this platform here, right? But your alarm should be beeping right now, or if not, then it will start beeping very soon. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you, that you don't need me to tell you. If this is by the book, I told you already that this will go up. If the Aussie index start dropping, it is already start dropping, and this thing giving you a solid, not short, sorry, long setup, right? And the alarm is beeping. So as soon as you have a reversal candle and a couple of blue candles, take the trade and write it. Put this SL right underneath and just wait. Or in fact, just move out of there. Don't even look at the computer. Get out of there. Okay. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that it is. I know that some of those new people I have, and I'm making this video especially for them, because they are new, and they are new to platform, new to trading, forex trading, and they have a little bit of distance to cover. To be honest with you. It's not that just buy and sell. It's not a piece of cake. It is, but once you learn. Okay, so you must learn. All right, learn. It's very easy. Again, I tell you that your weekly chart. This, and I give you this chart. You have it. You don't have to go and work and try to find out the numbers, which numbers are important, which are not. I already marked it for you. All you gotta do is just take the number wherever you are. If you are here, don't worry about this number. We can never get there for maybe a few months, maybe down the road, 6 months or a year, then you get there, right? So these numbers are irrelevant right now. What the relevant numbers are is right around the corner here: 59.75, 58.88, 58.27, 56, 55.92. Next to the downside, this is a big number. If we drop, we're gonna be hitting this one then, right? This would be the target if we start dropping. Now if we're going up, see this, we just went up and then we hit the number and dropped. What number? 61.38, right there. All right, here. So you want to cash out when that happens, and you see a reversal candle there. You can cash out and wait for another setup and then get in again. This is the game that you can play. I can't do it because I have so many things to do, and then I have so many subscribers to answer this, that, whatever. But if I have to trade only, I can show you easily that how you can make 200 pip out of 100 pip move, or 200 pip move, you can make 300 pip. Okay, it's easy, just like that. If you go and hit this area, reversal candle, get out right there, close the trade, and wait for another blue candle. It's gonna come down here. So from here to here, 61.38, now down to what? 60.84. So it's like 30, 40, 50 pip already drop, right? Now if you get in again, you're gonna make this 40. You already made, you cash out here, and then again you get in from the bottom. Then see this area, you will be making double the pippage. If this area from here to here is 50 pip, you make this 50 pip, and then you're gonna make another from here to here 50 pip, and then beyond. Understand? And if it goes up to the upside, 61.88 or 62.48 probably, and it's gonna dip again. So you can cash out there and wait for another setup, and then get in again. So you can play that game if you are concentrating or focusing only maybe 2 to 3 pair. Then you can easily do that. Okay, it's not hard at all. So this sort of stopped here. If I'm watching this, and it's been like quite a while that he is still there, so very good chance that it will reverse. If not, it's okay, no problem. That happens, right? Then I'll see what's happening, and then maybe there's a news or something. But so far, CAD yen, my CAD index chart, my Aussie index chart, right on the track, doing what they're supposed to do, right? So let's see, and I'll keep in touch, and I'll make another video maybe in few hours, and let you know that if I took this one and what happened to this chart. Okay, this is it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.